Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this week? I hope everybody's having an amazing week despite this week's events. But today I'm back again with another hair video, and this video is brought to you by Tinashe Hair. I've worked with them before and I must say very good quality. So let's get into what's inside the goodie bag. Okay. We have a headband, some section clips to section out your hair, a wig cap, a bonnet, an edge band branded Tinashe, some lashes of course, and last but not least some bobby pins. So here now we have our wig, and on top of that is just an information card branded Tinashe, as you know. This is our beautiful unit for today. This is a 5x6 lace closure in inches 24, and as you can see it is a straight texture. So I'm just showing you the construction of the wig. As you can see, there are combs on the inside, 4 to be exact, and an elastic band to secure the wig onto your head, and I must say it does secure well. So let's get right into it. Let's put this wig on my head.
Girls want me, but not you. I want to know, I want you. Shady not this kind thing with tomato, moo moo. Oh no. Not the little good things you do make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby come, oh girl I want make me deal. I feel like making you. Oh no, I feel like making you. Oh baby I'm no good.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow. I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo, to the love of my life. My eye, yo, don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow.
I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't wanna say no. You broke it down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind on these shorty. You belong in you, make me feel something. I got my eyes on you, cool like a curtain. I'll be patient with you, no more fighting.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I must say I'm in love with this hair. The texture is unbelievable. This wig is so silky straight. I'm telling you, there are very minimal flowers because of how smooth this hair is. And of course, I said this is a glueless install. So as you guys can see, I applied no product. The only part of my hair that is pasted down would be the edges with some Eco Styler gel. So that's the reason why I didn't run the comb under there. But listen, it's 100% glueless and it's flushed into my skin. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all the links will be at the top of my description box. As you guys know, I love y'all. See y'all next week. Bye.